said, now we're going to cooking up a taste of Thai, getting ready to get fried and crispy. And we're going to add in some curry as Belinda makes her way over into the kitchen. What you got for us this morning?
Well, that's right, Bill, because cooking class is in with Chef Pam Liberda of Waldo Thai. So some lovely aromas coming out of this kitchen. Oh my gosh, it is really filling up the studio. We're actually making stir-fried crispy pork belly with red curry. So
red curry paste, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, the Thai word is called grob phet. Grob is mean the pork belly, and the phet is what every dish that cooked with the red curry paste.
And if you guys aren't catching that, that is moo, literally moo for our word cow. I love that.
Moo, but it's moo is in Thai is mean pork or pig. So.
Okay. Well, I mean, let's just get started here.
All right.
What do we do?
So we have here, so I just start this is a little hot here.
Okay. And you know, one of the things I was reading, why is it so important to cook this dish with a hot wok?
Well, it's just the aroma of the red curry paste is in there, so it's really helping to break out all the spice.
Yeah, that makes so much sense.
And make it spicier. So I think I'm gonna get it a little, the highest one. So we're waiting a little bit to be hot here.
Okay, and you know, one of the things you taught us the last time you were here on Better Kansas City, not all Thai food is spicy, but we've thrown the word spice around like 4 or 5 times this morning already.
Yes, but this dish is spicy. Then that's called, it's a pad phet. Pad it means stir, and phet it means spicy, and you can smell that.
And we can see how hot this wok is right now because
all the
oils are really going up. Now, the thing you just put in there, it's not ginger, but it looks like ginger.
It's called the Kasai Root.
Okay, and what are the flavors of that?
The flavor, I will say, well, it's hard to explain it. It's very similar to the ginger, but it's not. So just keep add on all this spices in here.
Okay. Now, we're looking at something green with little balls on it, and that is the culprit for all the spice, right?
Yes, definitely. And it's the texture of it is when you eat it, you kind of bite into, it's just like you eat a very not ripe, the young one of the peppercorn. It's all this together here. And after that, you can smell those.
Now,
and this is a bamboo shoot.
So we're going like full on panda bear here.
Yes.
Okay.
And you can smell it, and you can add a little water in here.
Okay.
And you can smell all those already.
Yeah, it really smells so fresh. You know, what was the inspiration for adding bamboo into this recipe?
Well, I think the texture of the bamboo and traditional. Most of our red curry or the stuff that cook with the red curry paste, we always use the bamboo shoot. I think the texture is going well with the pepper.
Pam, I have to tell you, it smells so good in here right now.
And this is the pork belly.
Okay.
The crispy pork belly that I already prepared.
Wow.
And you also
that looks
together.
Great.
And this is the long bean that I already chopped it up in the small one.
Okay.
So just add it all together here too.
Well, we got to add a little green into the mix. You know, I think one of the next ingredients is that red curry paste. So how do we actually... oh my goodness, wow, the spices are really coming up here now. So let's talk about the red curry paste. You know, where can you get that?
Well, actually, this one is I make it my own at the restaurant, but you can get all the red curry paste in all the Oriental grocery store or the Asian grocery store. It will come in the paste in the jar, and it will say red curry paste. So any brand you can use. I'm sorry. It's just
she told me, she was like, do you like spice? And I said, well, make me a believer.
Yes.
And, it is strong, but
it's strong. Good. And this is the last one, and this will a little bit hurt here. I just hold on. I just put a little sugar in here.
Oh, and sugar is such an interesting ingredient for dishes like this.
Yes, because actually it's kind of, you know, with the spice and the curry paste is a little salty in it already. So we put the sugar to kind of bring the balance of the dish up. And all this stir fry together, and this is my best part is the basil.
Man, that looks so good.
And this one is the spiciest one, so I will not put much. It's just add in there. And this one just for the color.
Okay, beautiful. So Pam, you know, let's actually go over here and try this since we're not going to plate it.
Yep.
And maybe talk about 1 or 2 of the other dishes you have at Waldo Thai.
All right, here we go. I'm going to turn this thing off, and this is what it looks like here.
We're looking at a dish right now.
All right, we have that. It's called the kuay tiao pad, and that is called the khao lat na kapao.
Oh, wow.
It's really the comfort food for Thailand, you know.
Okay, let's go ahead and taste this, Pam.
Yep.
Are you gonna
Be
try
careful.
it too?
Yeah.
We're gonna
well,
be
I
careful.
have my spoon here. I like the crispy part of the pork.
Well, Pam, thank you so much. In about half an hour, we'll show you how you're gonna make one of your in-house cocktails. Bill?